Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this basic witch peekaboo tumbler. I'll link below the file for the SVGs for this. They will include the logo, a skeleton logo, the checkboxes, and the bats. Start off with a white tumbler and glitter it orange. Epoxy over until smooth. Then take any color decal, because this will work as a stencil, and lay it on your cup. I put the logo about an inch down on the front, and the box is about half an inch down on the back. You'll then spray paint the entire thing black. Semi-gloss is what I use, but flat black also works. After that dries, you will then pick off all of the decals. Be careful because your fingernails and your X-Acto knife or whatever tool you use will scratch up the black paint. Luckily, just take a black Sharpie and touch it to any spots you accidentally scratched, and no one will ever know. For the chunky orange in this, you can use Glitter Zoo Clown Fishing, or there are a couple alternatives. Glitter Chimp's Main Squeeze, and last but not least, Texas Glitter Orange Julius, which replicates the tech wrap vinyl that I do use for the bats. So that white might look even cooler than what I used. All of them do look really cool on the black background though. So using the epoxy method, start with the chunky glitter. Try to keep it towards the bottom at first when you go around. I have this sped up, I don't do this fast. Then I change direction with it, and since this one was in a bag, I just tap on it lightly and I let whatever fall out and land where it wants to. I then take the Sunkissed from Glitter Chimp again, and I go over top of the chunky. After I get it pretty filled in towards the bottom, I then just gently tap from far above, so just a little bit falls down, which is the method that you would use with doing ombreing, any of the glitters. Here I have just taken my fingers instead of the bottle and pinched just a tiny bit so it blends up towards the solid black. Wait for that to cure. Epoxy that. Then add the bats. I layered these bats on top of black, and like I said, I use the tech wrap. It's an orange tech wrap that when you turn it a certain way, it's almost pink or sometimes even purple. Another coat of epoxy. Also included in the SVG is the pumpkin spice latte abbreviation. They like to write there, so I added that just for a little fun since this is a basic bitch twist. Well, thanks for watching my channel, and I'll see you every other Friday with a new tutorial.